Kwapeda jatar aitukunaka haidara tania na adegwo ikinti Self-Help Africa kaneko Uganda. Project lo ebuni noi ai ganga kinitunga ai pelori tomoso ko ni keda iborokech ebunida ai rich iborongule morokinto neja kai tedeke nenpe keda ai keunuda akerianut koipone loda arrokor ekusela tineni kwana tania ngesi ata kintebalebe project lo ngeste jakai todol atukono numa merasin wa pugan kanu de dukununitai ko temwa na kwapenat kaberimaido operation Save the Needy.
At Self-Help Africa, we don't give, we don't distribute gifts, and we want, at the end of the project, for the farmers to continue doing what they have started with us at the beginning of the project. And that is very key for sustainability purposes. Another thing, we are really interested in the gender equality.
Konyo Waikia Esther Ainyo na dera regional manager na ka Self-Help Africa ebalebe project lo ebunai gang ika koriok keda iborolu trasama komani Korea.
We shall also focus on improving capacity of smallholder farmers to influence policies and access to resources that ensure their right to food through building an enabling environment.
Eja ngunuda Jacob Jonga lodera tupto nara DC loko Kapelebyong district lodare pejonon langos bibikoto masubanano elipingesi tunga kiere ajautu ai gangiteda project lo.
What we are going to do as government is to pray that the participants fully and committedly participate in this. You come up with your best, and you also pray that God be with you so that you become serious people. You should not think that this project is for them now. This is now your project.
Eji angunuda hamane jioku lode ra tupton Apollo Kinto na Jakanuto ko Kaberimaido district ngeste lipi akoriokoto mogurupun ebe iswamata kerekesi kwapi pei mere idiopediopen.
Atim rapim baja koro project. Ajanga ni timu no pikonyo wa balo gamenti kamwa le doratimo jogo yar konyo watimo do na oromino joticho balo mete MCDO agriculture officer mena no bigitiyo kirewu me supporting project me wodo nyomi ruki
Joseph Achero ediopeto toma koriok loda jai kinangesda itegero na ke projecta lo ngesda mama bo pedo ai munon ai yala make
otie bino pi launching company ni Arabo NGOs ki pien abedo kana ko chiko ita ko winyo puonjera mo puonyo ikan.
Kanuka TV East Christine Itado ka Jonathan Okotel.